so lovely and delicious. See, the rice also crumbling, and it's loaded with shrimp and Mung Dal, the Basmati rice, and I love to use little potato. You can see here, it looks really so lovely. Simply is delicious with combined lots of flavor. Yeah, this is we call mawash. Basically, this mawash we are preparing with dry shrimp and love to serve with pickle that we have as well. Yeah, that is the recipe I'm going to share with you today. So hello everyone. Thanks for opening the video, and it's me Leonard welcoming you to my new recipe. And here is the ingredient that I will use today for mawash. Here you see 1 bundle dill, 1 bundle coriander leaves. We have here 2 tomato, 1 large onion chopped, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 dry lemon, salt, the tomato paste, and just only the Arabic spice. And here is the Mung Dal I already boiled. This Mung Dal you need to soak in the water. It's good for overnight after you boil it. So take the pan and make it hot. I used here 3 tablespoons cooking oil. That I make it hot, and I put you see here the cinnamon stick and dry lemon, and I will fry it until this onion is cooked properly. Then I'm going to add here the ginger and garlic paste. I will fry it little because I need to remove the fresh flavor from the garlic and ginger paste. Then I will add the tomato. And here, for you, if you want to take the ingredients note, I will write on my description. You can check out my description for more recipes and the ingredients that I use today. I think it will be helpful for you. So please check the description that I write for you. I hope it will be good for you too. So here you can see I add tomato, and I cooked it little time for make it soft. Now I am going to add the spices here. Only 1 teaspoon Arabic spice, Arabic powder, 1 Arabic masala powder that I use here, only 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon salt for this masala. And then I will add little water to cook so nicely my masala, as you can see here, and cook the masala. And let's talk details about today's recipe that we call mawash. Actually, if you are searching for shrimp mawash, you will see so many of video about it. But here, I am trying to explain you that why I choose this style for the mawash recipe. So again, for your help, I put all the ingredients name on my description. You can introduce with them and make your dish so delicious. So you can see here I am going to add here the shrimp and potato, and I will cook it. For 2 or 3 minutes. Only just putting the masala with each other, and then I will add the Mung Dal, which one I boiled already. Also I will add the fresh ingredient that I showed you before, that 1 bundle coriander leaves and 1 bundle dill leaves that I already chopped so nicely. Here it is. I am going to add with them. Then I will cook it for a little time. So let's cook, and let's talk about again let's talk about the mawash. As I told you before, we have so many recipes that are so fresh, healthy, rich and so aromatic that will wonder you at any time. So let me know that which Arabic food recipe that you are looking for. And again, remembering you to subscribe my YouTube channel, because here I always try to upload the Arabic recipe you are looking for. I will try to upload the Middle Eastern food, which one is best so far. And you saw here I already added the water, and I will cook it until all the ingredients, the shrimp already done, it's done already, but I will make it more soft and the potato will be done in the time. So let's boil it, and for once more time let's talk about the mawash. As you know, the national dish of Arabic cuisine recipe in Bahrain, it's mouthwatering, and this mawash also comes with the mouthwatering because they are nearly same way to prepare. And so I recommended you, if you still haven't watched my mouthwatering video, again I will put the link on my description. Check out from there. Also, you need to know that on this mouthwatering recipe I got so much love. You gave me so much love on my mouthwatering video. Thanks for this kind of support. I hope you will watch the video again. So as you see here, I already added the rice. Now I am adding some salt for the rice. Then I will let it boil. Then I will make it steam. This is the, as I told you before, this is the same way. This is the nearly same way to prepare mawash. This is the, if you watch the mouthwatering video, you can understand exactly how much the water, how much the rice I used here, because the water is really so important for making mouthwatering like this mawash. Water is really so important. So I hope you will watch the mouthwatering video. So now I will close it, and I will make it steam with the low fire. As you see here, I'm making steam with my tawa. Just cover it like that, and I will make it steam for more 45 minutes. 45 minutes is really so good enough. So after 45 minutes, look at the recipe. Wow, it looks so lovely. So I wish I can get a big thumbs up from you for today's recipe. So that's enough for today. Thanks for watching video. Take care, have fun until we return. Bye bye.